Well, 2020 is finally over. Almost. A few more days. So what can you expect from Make It Take It Outdoors in 2021? Stay tuned. All right, so 2020. What a crappy year. Really, cats? Really? Was he chasing you? All right, we are close to saying goodbye to 2020, and thank goodness. It's been a horrible year. Not just COVID, which was absolutely terrible. I've had a lot of friends who got it. I've had friends who lost loved ones with it, but also lost my brother in early December. You may have seen the little tribute to him I put at at the end of some of my videos. But even fishing was just not very good this year. So 2021, it's got to get better, right? So what can you expect from 2021? Well, one thing that you may not know is I'm actually a professional photographer. I am not a professional videographer. So I'm going to start working harder on my videography, trying to get you some better videos, especially my tutorials. Probably going to shoot or reshoot, I should say, the whole channel. Try to get better quality videos so you can follow along a little bit easier. And that's what this channel is all about. Try to get to you some better B-roll stuff when I go fishing and everything. And just upgrade the quality overall. So one of the first videos of 2021 I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce a new lure. I know it's a new lure because I actually had a provisional patent on it for a while. And I've never seen anyone build one like this. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. As I've talked about in the past, I'm not here to make money on selling lures and everything. So I'm going to teach you how to make this. If you sell some, great. All I ask is you do keep the name of it. And I'm going to call it the Radnor Rig because I first made it in Radnor, Ohio, and fished it in the Scioto and the quarry in that area. It's pretty effective. And in fact, at that quarry, fishing at that quarry is like shooting fish in a barrel, I have to admit. But I caught in just under an hour 45 bass. I mean, I was literally every single cast I was catching a bass. None of them were very large or anything, but it proved that the lure worked. And I've caught and you'll see the videos of other fish I've caught on it. So again, one of the first videos is going to be the Radnor Rig. The other thing I'm really want to try this winter, it's going to be a lot of fun, is rod building. Figured, well, can't hurt, right? You know, I already make my fishing lures. Why don't I make the fishing rods? So I'll be doing some of that and showing you how I come up with my rod wrapping tools and everything, because this is Make It Take It Outdoors. I am going to DIY this as much as I can. Let's see. Again, I said I'm going to shoot all the videos again, the lure making videos. Try to make a better channel overall. That's about it. And it's funny, I haven't been making many videos, but I'm starting to get a lot more subscribers. Something's going on in the algorithm where more people are looking up lure making and everything. So it's time I kind of buckle down and do a little bit better job for you guys who are my subscribers and my viewers. Other than that, you have a wonderful day. If you're looking forward to this, hit like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And in the meantime, tight lines and Happy New Year. Learn so you don't have to... Okay, that made no sense. So, one of the first videos of 2021, as far as... So, what can you... Yeah,